Are you wondering how to make money on YouTube easily? Many dream of income without hard work. In this video, I'll show you the simplest way to start earning. By the end, you'll know a straightforward method to create your channel. First, focus on a niche that excites you. This will keep you motivated and engaged. Next, create valuable content. It's key to attract and keep viewers. Aim for quality over quantity when recording videos. Use your smartphone or laptop to get started. Then optimize your videos for search. Use relevant keywords in titles and descriptions. This helps more people discover your content. After that, promote your channel on social media. Share your videos on platforms where your audience hangs out. Engage with comments to build a community around your channel. Now don't forget to monetize your hard work. Apply for YouTube's partner program when eligible. Make sure to meet their guidelines and requirements for success. The YouTube Partner Program enables creators to monetize their content through ads and other revenue streams. To qualify, you need to meet specific requirements. You must have at least 1,000 subscribers, accumulate 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, and comply with all of YouTube's policies and guidelines. Once eligible, you can apply to join the program and start earning from your videos. Finally, analyze your channel's performance regularly. Adjust your strategy based on analytics insights. This ensures growth over time. In summary, find your niche, create quality content, optimize for search, promote, monetize, and analyze. These steps lead to a successful YouTube channel. I encourage you to start your journey. Apply what you've learned today. Subscribe and follow for more daily income strategies. Don't miss the next one.